As you all know, no matter the time I come back from work, I must cook for my husband and my child. Another day in the life of a 21-year-old mom of one. Lately, I came back from work. I quickly changed and went straight to the kitchen to use the water leaf that my mommy bought for me to cook vegetable soup. After picking the water leaf, and I sliced the water leaf tiny before I wash it for some time for it to reduce its slimy taste. Then I still went ahead to boil the water leaf with salt. After boiling the water leaf, and I went ahead to pan my pepper and my onion. Then I put my pot on the fire. Then I put my pepper and my onion that I've already panned local way. Then I went ahead to introduce my protein, the only protein that I will be using today. Then I added seasoning. Normally the food no fit sweet if I no rinse the mortar now, you know that kind of thing. Then I went ahead to cover the pot for some time so that the fish and everything that I've already fried will mix together. The next thing that I added to the pot is my water leaf before stirring it. After adding my water leaf, and I went ahead to turn the pot thoroughly. Then I introduce my pumpkin leaf to the pot. Because what is vegetable soup without pumpkin leaf? E no go sweet if I no add pumpkin leaf now. When it comes to vegetable soup, you need to stir it, because if you no stir am, e no go fit mix together. Then the next thing I did was to add water to the soup, because no be once we go chop the soup now. I discovered I did not hear the taste of the food, so I adjusted with 1 cube of Maggi. At this point, our food is ready. What will you be pairing this soup with if you are the one? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bring your plate, so bring your akpu, come make I serve you, because me I no stingy. Thanks for watching. Bye.